it going, sir?
Hey, how you doing, officers?
Good.
Not bad.
Can I get your names and badge numbers?
Sure, can I have your ID, please?
No, you can't.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Have you not heard that before? Hey, Tibbets.
The Officer Tibbets.
Tibbets.
Young man.
The policies, they don't supersede law, just so you know that.
This is not going to end well with you, you know that.
Okay, we'll see. We will see.
I'm telling you.
We will see.
I need to find out who you are now.
Okay, lower your voice. We're in the library.
Just saying.
Understand that?
Don't touch me.
You don't leave until we say so.
Don't touch me. Nobody's scared of you, Tibbets.
No one's supposed to be scared of me. I'm talking over you because you keep yapping.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video features Long Island Audit and an officer who may have unwittingly testified against himself for police brutality and possibly murder. In the end, you will have to decide for yourself. On the 9th of June, Long Island Audit was filming at the Danbury, Connecticut Public Library when he was stopped by security and ordered to shut off his camera.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm alright, how are you? It's not allowed here to take photos or videos, okay? You need the permission from the administration about that.
So it's not allowed to take photos or videos here?
Inside, no.
Wait, who do I need permission from?
Administration.
From administration? Yeah, I don't think that's the case.
In Soviet Russia, some public places demand permits, such as the Red Square, airports, and libraries. In the United States, such laws don't exist, and are in fact prevented from becoming law by the First Amendment's right to free press. Many libraries and other public facilities have policies that require one to ask permission to film. However, policy does not trump law. After a short back and forth, the guard calls the Danbury Police Department, and multiple officers arrive on scene.
How's it going, sir?
Hey, how you doing, officers?
Good.
Not bad.
Can I get your names and badge numbers?
Sure, can I have your ID, please?
No, you can't.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Have you not heard that before?
I've heard it plenty of times. It's just I'm surprised because, well, my name and my badge number is right here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you see it?
Tibbets?
Yep,
I can't-
640.
The pen is blocking the number.
Oh.
640
Yep.
and Dennis 647. So what I'm doing here is a First Amendment protected activity.
That's great.
I'm recording. I know you don't care, sir, but listen, if you violate that in any way and interfere with that,
I'm
you
not
will.
violating it. They asked you to leave.
Yeah, but that they can't ask me to leave. This is a public library. Can I speak to a supervisor, please?
After immediately showing their disdain for the public and our civil rights, Long Island Audit requests a supervisor, hoping that they would have a better attitude and understanding of what they swore an oath to do.
Hey, Dennis, can I please speak to a supervisor? I would appreciate that.
Yeah, there are.
Where is that at? Can I see it?
Oh, you guys got body cameras. Great. So maybe a supervisor will be better,
Supervisor, you got 4 cops here. Relax.
but I'm asking you for a
You don't need
supervisor.
one. You don't need one. You don't need one.
Okay.
Right now.
You can't turn a constitution protected activity into a crime, sir. Unfortunately, as much as you would like to.
Even if it's not a crime, it's creepy as heck.
I'm going to request a supervisor again.
In a minute. Yeah.
I'm going to request one. I'm pretty sure your policy, if I go home and look at your policy, and I'm pretty sure if I request a supervisor, you guys should call one, correct? So, I'm going to request a supervisor again. I would appreciate if you guys can get a supervisor down here.
In a minute. You don't rule the roost here right now.
Yeah, no, I'm just requesting a supervisor just for,
In a minute.
because you guys are a little
In a
bit, you
minute.
guys are a little bit hostile. I can see,
No,
I can see the tyrant in you, Utter.
Oh, yeah.
You're a real tyrant.
Yeah.
I can see it in your
24
eyes.
years in law enforcement experience.
Yeah.
I'm still here, but I'm a tyrant.
You are.
24 years ago, when cameras weren't as accessible, it's possible that Long Island Audit would have had his teeth kicked in or would possibly be dead. More on that later. Mr. Tibbet skims through the library policy, searching for a reason to remove Long Island Audit for filming.
Hey, Tibbets.
The Officer Tibbets.
Tibbets.
Young man.
The policies, they don't supersede law. Just so you know that, okay?
Oh, I didn't know that.
It goes law, goes the Constitution, law, then policies,
I had
okay?
no idea.
Okay. And I have a constitutional right to be filming here. So,
Okay.
great. So
I
I'm just
didn't know
letting you know. Oh, I'm letting you know because you
idea.
don't know the Constitution,
No, I
obviously.
don't.
So
Obviously, I don't. No, I
you took an oath to it, though, Tibbets.
anything. Jeez.
Dude, why you got to be
Dude,
such a
why
tyrant?
You gotta be such a tyrant. See what I'm doing there?
Acting like a child?
Yeah, so are you.
Acting like a child.
Did you get permission when you post that video of these people?
Don't eat it. They're in
You don't
public.
need it?
Yeah, they're in public. Don't eat it. See, you're learning something here today, man. Come on.
This is not going to end well with you. You know that.
Okay, we'll see. We
No,
will see.
I'm telling you.
We will see.
Okay.
I'm not scared of you.
I know
You're
you're
not supposed to be scared of me.
I don't care. I'm
Okay,
just
great.
saying.
Great. Because the mere, listen, listen, before you guys even arrest me, the thing that's going to happen is you have to tell me to leave, right?
No.
So,
No. We're in charge here, okay?
yeah, you're going to tell me to leave. And then
You're going to have to
what
give us
you're
an
gonna
ID.
do,
If you don't give us an ID,
Not gonna
then you're going to have to go
Not gonna
downtown.
happen. I'm not
just
breaking
telling
any
you.
laws.
Yes, you're breaking their law. And they need to find out who you are so
They're
when
going
you
to
come
love,
back,
they're going to love that you said
it's
that.
trespassing.
To get my ID, you need reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed
what it is.
that I've committed a crime.
You have.
What crime have I committed?
If you're not going to give me your ID, you're interfering with the duties of a police officer.
Eventually, a supervisor arrives on scene.
Hey, Sergeant, how you doing? Good, nice to meet you, sir. Hey,
So, according to our...
can I just say Sergeant Dickinson?
Yes.
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay, so they would like you to leave
Okay.
at this point?
Sergeant,
you
if
wanna-
Hey, how about
So-
you let the sergeant speak?
okay,
Do you
how
wanna-
about you mind your
Quiet.
business?
Are you going to leave?
Hold on.
Are you going to leave, yes or no?
If I don't leave, will I be arrested?
Yes, you're trespassing at this
Okay,
point.
I'm gonna leave then,
Okay.
because you're under threat of arrest.
That's
I'm
correct, yes.
under threat of arrest. I'm going to leave. And no, you do not.
Hold on.
Well, don't touch me.
Hold on.
Don't touch. No,
We
you
have to
don't.
identify.
We
No,
do
you
have to.
don't.
We have to
I have
identify.
not committed a crime.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't. Listen, man,
Yeah,
don't.
you're
gonna go.
You're touching me,
They asked you to leave.
They asked you to leave,
and I'm
you
leaving
refused to
under
leave.
threat of arrest.
Okay, you're refusing to provide identification to us. We need
Because
to
I
identify
haven't
you, because
committed
if
a
you
crime.
Come back here because they don't want you coming back here.
Sergeant,
we
I
need to
haven't
identify
committed
you.
Sergeant, I haven't committed a crime. Unless I've committed a crime, I don't have to show you ID, sir.
Did they ask you to leave? Yes or no?
You just told
They
me right
asked you to
now.
leave and you refused.
That's
I'm
a
not.
crime.
That's not. I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
They said that. They asked you to leave.
This is a
and you wouldn't leave.
This is a public building.
That is a crime.
This is a public building.
That's great, but they asked you to leave and you
Same thing
wouldn't
like
leave.
Walmart, same type
No,
of
no,
thing.
it's not the same
I
thing, sir,
understand.
because
It
it's a
is kind of
public
same thing,
building.
but
It's
you are
tax
disrupting-
it's
you are
taxpayer
disrupting
funded.
in their
And this is
opinion.
their building. They make the rules here. They
So
decided
are
you
you
were
Sergeant
violating the rules.
Sergeant Dickinson? If I don't give you ID, are you going to arrest me?
Well, so we're trying to... like-
Because I'm gonna leave because you just gave me a lawful. You just said gave me an unlawful order
but
that
this-
under threat of arrest.
Well, this
Which I'll be
this may
filing
have happened
complaints.
Before. What I'm trying to figure out is what happened before. If they asked you to leave beforehand,
Mm-hmm.
before I talked to you,
I'm not.
then you're actually committing a crime.
But who? Yeah, but I'm not. They didn't. I'm not saying that they asked me to leave.
So,
Okay,
hold up.
did you
You
ask
don't.
him to
Yeah,
leave?
you don't know that.
He asked you to leave.
Asked you to leave.
Okay, so all I'm asking. Listen, all I'm. This
then
is.
what did he say
You're
when you
making
asked him to
Sergeant. Sergeant, can I have a conversation with you,
Okay, he
please?
said he wouldn't
Can we
leave.
can we de-escalate and have a
We're
conversation,
trying
please?
to, yes.
All right. So what I'm doing here is I'm press, right? I'm working on a story in the public library. I'm engaging in a First Amendment protected activity, a constitutionally protected activity. I do this quite often. I know for a fact that policy does not trump the law. You can't make a, like, for example, you can't make a policy that says no fat guys allowed in the library because that would be discriminating, right?
Yes, but
So
that'd be more of a civil side of the whole.
exactly, and this is the civil side. You'll be violating my civil, just by telling me to leave under threat of arrest, you're violating my civil rights.
Well,
We're not violating your civil rights.
I'm talking to the sergeant, and I'm talking to the
All right,
sergeant,
and
and
I'm
I want to
telling
have
you,
a good.
it's
I'm
right
talking to
here.
the sergeant, and I want to have a,
Have you
good.
seen it?
Honestly, sir, it's irrelevant
Because I
to
can
me.
read this.
No, it's fine.
This is from because it is.
But policy
under the
doesn't
city-
trump law, sir. That's all I'm trying to tell you. All I'm trying to tell you, and unless I've committed a crime, you cannot get my ID, sir. So that's all I'm saying. Don't touch me again, man. Seriously.
Listen, we tell you not to go anywhere, you don't go nowhere. You understand?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Do you understand that, though?
I'm telling. Do you understand
telling
that I told
you.
you not to touch me?
Do you understand
don't
that?
Touch me.
You don't leave until we say so.
Don't touch me. Nobody's scared of you, Tibbets.
No one's supposed to be scared of me. I'm talking over you because you keep yapping.
The supervisor interprets the library's policy, and eventually, under the threat of arrest, Long Island Audit felt compelled to identify himself.
Under threat of arrest, I will provide you with my ID. I'm gonna go in my pocket now and grab my ID. We're getting a complaint on you, and unfortunately, even though you've been reasonable, you still violated my rights here today, sir, and I'll be pointing a complaint on you. Everybody's getting a complaint, and I will be filing a lawsuit with the city because
You get a complaint.
yeah,
You get
everybody's getting a
everybody
complaint.
gets a complaint.
You're a real
Regular
you're a real
complaint for
you're a real
every
bozo, man. You're a real
Now you're a
bozo.
bozo?
You're a real bozo.
Me, sir, that hurts my feelings.
You guys are both bozos and tyrants. You know that?
Listen.
I got freedom. You're gonna limit my
handle this in a
speech. You're gonna
business
limit my
manner.
speech
We're
now.
gonna handle this in a business manner, okay?
They're not acting professional at all.
They will. They absolutely.
They don't listen to you. You've told him to shut up like 3 times, and you don't listen. You don't listen. You said let him handle
Told
it.
him to shut up. No, you told me to
Let
shut up.
the big boys talk. There you go. You're a tyrant. That's why. You're a tyrant.
I'm the one down here harassing library
I'm not
staff.
harassing anybody. I'm a journalist gathering
Okay, you're
content for a
journalist.
story.
Get a real job.
Yeah. Protect and serve. You're a public servant. Learn your place.
Yeah. Okay.
Learn your place.
I'm asking you too.
Stay in your lane, buddy.
Listen,
Yes.
you need
Listen,
to
I am in my
no,
lane.
listen,
I'm a
you need
free
to treat us
citizen
with
here.
respect.
They haven't been treating me with
Okay.
respect since I got here. They haven't been treating me with respect since I got here, sir. So the respect,
We're gonna
even
start right
the
now, right
respect
now.
has gone out the
No.
window already. I have freedom of speech to say whatever I want to these
I already
officers.
explained to this guy why he had to leave. All right.
Finally, Long Island Audit left the property with the officers in tow.
Get out.
Where's my trespass? Where's my trespass warning?
They'll send it to you in the mail. Take care.
Take care, Officer Bozo.
You gotta go. Get off the property. They want
You can absolutely film the outside of the building from a public street if you want. Watch yourself, dude.
If you didn't have that badge and you touched me, if you didn't have that badge and you touched me,
What is that? What are you trying to say?
dude.
don't touch me.
What are you trying to say?
Because if you
What are
didn't
you
have,
trying to say
you
here?
touched me.
What are you trying to say?
I'm
here?
trying to leave.
You're trying to
Just
leave
go.
when I told
Just
you-
go.
I'm trying to leave.
Just go, 'cause it's not good for you.
It's not good for me. It's not good for you.
Get lost.
I'm going.
Go.
I'm going.
Bye.
I'm going.
Yeah,
going.
because you lose your temper,
I'm
you
going.
start threatening officers.
I'm not threatening. You're a douchebag.
Just go.
You're a
Now I'm a
douchebag.
douchebag.
Yup. Is that against the law? I'm going. I'm going off the property right now. The law protects me to do what I do. You understand?
No.
It's a constitutionally protected
Put that
activity.
on your YouTube feed because
It's
you're wrong.
constitutionally protected
You're
activity.
wrong.
If I went in there and I was
wrong.
acting like an asshole,
You're wrong.
Don't touch me. Don't
You're
touch
wrong.
me. Don't touch me. Hey, 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 hey! I want to file a complaint against him, Sergeant.
All right, thanks,
He just
Sergeant.
grabbed my arm. Sergeant, he just grabbed my arm. I want to file a complaint, Sergeant.
After the incident, one of the officers forgot to turn off his body cam and caught Officer Utter with 24 years of experience as a beat cop and no promotions to leadership, saying the following.
You're wrong.
Don't touch me.
You're
Don't touch
wrong.
me.
Okay,
Don't
listen.
touch me.
If he
Hey,
comes back on the
hey,
if he comes back
Hey,
on the property,
hey! I want to file a complaint against him, Sergeant.
All right, thanks,
He just
Sergeant.
grabbed my arm, Sergeant.
Is he still here?
I want to file a complaint.
I'll wait for him. He pieced out a while ago. I know. He's a fucking one.
I'm telling you right now, fucking 5 years ago with this shit,
Oh,
he
yeah.
would have been on the fucking ground. Absolutely. 10, 15, 20 years ago, that motherfucker would be dead. He'd be fucking his teeth if he missed.
Officer Utter may have just unwittingly testified against himself that he has either witnessed or committed the acts he just mentioned. He has served for 24 years, long before there were body cams and the widespread use of cell phone cameras. His comment that 5 years ago Long Island Audit would be on the ground more than likely is referring to a time where body cams and viral cell phone videos didn't expose officers from lying about brutalizing innocent citizens. Doubling down on his mistake, he declared that Long Island Audit would have been dead 20 years ago. The question now becomes, has Officer Utter witnessed or taken part in a homicide 20 plus years ago involving a citizen standing up for their civil rights? Or was he being hyperbolic? Either way, the captured conversation is evidence that this type of attitude and disgust for the public is their culture. Officer Utter may eventually be punished for this, but only because the audio was captured and released to the public. Outside of this sliver of transparency, this talk has been normalized and is accepted. Long Island Audit has filed formal complaints against the officers seen in this video, and has filed a notice of intent to sue. If you wish to know more about his other cases, and learn updates about this one as they happen, be sure to visit his channel, linked in the description, and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.